This is Yahoo Finance Live. I want to run you through some of the action that we're seeing at the moment because we're seeing a little bit of a rollover here in today's session. The Dow coming down sharply from the highs of the session, still up about a third of 1%, but definitely giving up some of those gains. And we're seeing a similar pattern for the other major averages. The S&P up more, still 0.75%, but as you can see off the highs of this early session. And same story goes for the Nasdaq. And indeed, we're also seeing a rollover in some of the big movers in today's session as well. Walmart, of course, has been pretty steadily down 9% after the company came out with earnings per share that missed estimates. Talked about a lot of pressure in terms of costs and on margins and customers trading down to sort of generic or store brand items from name brand. But look what happened to Home Depot as well. Home Depot is now in the red. It's off by 1%, even after that company's, and the initial reaction to that company's numbers were very positive as they reported an unexpected gain in their comparable sales. But now we are seeing that give up gains, and I believe JD.com is another of those that had been in the plus column that now is in the negative. But wanted to point out some of the other big movers that we're watching today. Citigroup shares are now up by 6.5% after Warren Buffett, his Berkshire Hathaway, taking a stake in the company. That was revealed in 13F filings. And take a look at the move in Paramount Global, where Buffett now holds about an 11% stake and is the largest shareholder, that is Berkshire Hathaway. I tend to conflate the two. Berkshire Hathaway is the largest shareholder now in Paramount, and those shares are up 11% as a result today. We're also watching shares of Tesla as the back and forth between Elon Musk and Twitter continues. On the outlook, perhaps, for the Twitter acquisition to not be happening and not to continue to provide a distraction for Musk, we have Tesla shares that have been recovering a little bit. But just like the other charts we were watching, it, too, has come down off of the highs. Quick look at the Nasdaq 100 here and some of the movers that we are watching within that. Actually, go up here to get to that Nasdaq 100 here right now. And there you have, we are mostly still in the green despite the coming down off the highs that we have had for a number of these individual stocks, guys.